everyone, Merry Christmas Eve. Today we're going to be spending a day in Dublin together. I'm going to get my nails done and I just got fully ready as well. So we're going to run some errands, get my nails done, all the things. I hope you really enjoy this video and I can't wait to show you around. It's such a beautiful sunny day and this outfit is so beautiful. Just look at everything matching. I absolutely love it and I can't wait to just go outside. So let's go. Our very first stop is Lush, where I'm going to be buying a dusting powder that I saw and also some hygiene products. So let's go to Lush. This one, the super milk. Yes, exactly. That is it. Yeah.
So that's like the Vario super milk. That's the fragrance.
Let's try
that. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is really nice actually.
Gorgeous. Yeah, they have Lindsay Cubeba, so
yeah.
it's like a little bit more like a fresh.
Yes, and what do you think with cherry perfumes? Which one would go?
Which one?
With cherry perfumes or like you know the Prada one?
Yeah.
Which one would go with that? Do you think the super milk or the sticky dates?
I would say like a super milk probably.
Milk, yeah.
I think
all right. And what about the fairy one?
There.
I think there's also fairy dust. So
we are sold out of
sold out of fairy dust.
There, yeah. But that's like always like there's no fairy. Like
oh my god, this is so nice.
So gorgeous. We might still have like a gift set.
Okay.
But everything is so
and is this like a body spray or can I also use it in the hair?
You can use it in the hair, so just like a little, you can use it on the body, a little bit on the hair.
Yeah.
You can use it on the, like bed sheets and curtains as well. And we do have Snow Fairy, sticky dates and super milk in a hair product. Your hair actually smells really great.
Really? That is amazing.
Yeah, sure, there is. And just like that we actually didn't show you like that is powder there, but they are called Let the Good Times Roll. And it's buttery popcorn.
Okay.
And they have a glitter, golden glitter. So it's really nice.
Okay.
There, yeah.
I think I'll go with super milk body powder. Yes, let's do that.
It's a lovely one there.
Let's do that. Okay.
That would you like to try it?
I was more into kind of hair mist. If you have hair mist, let's do that.
We have quite like a nice one there. The hair parts. Here we have sticky dates, we have super milk, and we have Snow Fairy.
Okay.
Like a hair mist.
Okay.
That's really lovely because that one here they're gonna be really moisturizing. It's easier to detangle in the hair after you use it as well, and it helps with the freeze as well.
All right.
Okay? And we have like with the tree.
Okay, so I would like to try the Snow Fairy.
Of course. Can you put a little bit on your hair as well first? Because to be fair, like they are like a hair product, but you can never walk it and people are like, oh my god,
this is amazing.
Like that, you know?
This is so nice. How much is this actually?
That one is 36 for the
and the small.
For the smaller one.
And is it going to be like after you wash your hair or when would you use it usually?
After wash your hair.
After wash your hair.
After wash your hair, you can use it wet hair and you can.
And not on dry hair usually, like not.
You can use it as because I always have one on my bag for flyaways.
Okay, so
everything was so beautiful. All the bath bombs, the products, I was just feeling like I'm in Wonderland. Everything was so colorful, so beautiful. And then I just moved towards the checkout to buy my things. Even at the checkout, I saw this beautiful, beautiful lip balm and these sparkly makeup things. They were just so, so cute. And then I walked away with some items. The lady was so kind to give me one item for free. So she gave me the Sticky Dates hair primer for free and I was so grateful for that. She was definitely so amazing at her job and I can't wait to see her again.
Wanna go party, wanna have fun.
Our next stop was Sculpted by Aimee, where I was actually running out of a moisturizer. It's called Hydraglo. And I was so lucky that I was able to just get a refill and trade my empties for around €8. So I was able to get a €20 discount. So lucky. And I just walked away with that. And I saw this gorgeous couple dancing. They were so, so cute. So I had to put them in the vlog. They were just so in the moment. I absolutely loved it. And then I went on to get my nails done. This is something I actually feel is such a long process. I don't really enjoy the process, but I love the result. I got these French tips. I absolutely loved them. And then it was time for me to go on to my next bit of errands.
So I'm just in Pennies now and we're going to try these beautiful outfits. So this is the first look. I absolutely love it. Look at the dress and it's so perfect for work. I'm going to be wearing this to work. I will get this. It's so gorgeous. And now we're going to try the grey one as well. So let's go and try that. So this is basically the grey dress. I actually don't love it so much. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. But I actually prefer the navy blue. So I'm going to go with the navy blue this time.
After picking up the navy dress, I went down to the home section to get myself a candle. I picked this one in sugar and vanilla scent. It was so amazing. The scent is just unreal. After picking up my things from Pennies, I went down to Lovisa, which is a jewelry store at Henry Street. I absolutely love their pieces and I ended up getting one necklace that I broke. I just replaced that. And then obviously we had to grab a butlers. I got a chai latte with a praline chocolate. They always give a complimentary chocolate with your drink and I absolutely love that. So I got me a chai latte and then I walked back home. I was actually on a phone call with my mom during this time, but I still managed to get some footage. I absolutely love the lights in Dublin during Christmas time. I think there's no competition to that in the entire world. It's so beautiful. Just look at the decor.
I am just back now from all the shopping and a little Christmas Eve in Dublin. It was so much fun. I mean, I just let myself be, explore different shops. I got a few things, not too many things, just small things. But before we get right into all the things that I got, let me light this candle. So this is a candle I got from Pennies, and so I got a similar candle before and I absolutely loved it. So I got the same scent in a different shape. So let's open the candle. I just have to figure this out very quickly. Yeah, I have. So this is what we're going to do and light it. There we are. Okay, so this is how it looks. We're going to put it right here. And now I'm going to show you all the things that I got. So the very first thing that I want to show you is actually the dress itself. I love the dress. I can't believe I found it in Pennies. It looks like a Celine dress. I mean, it is absolutely stunning. Even Reese, I would actually think that it's from Reese or Celine because the pin strips are absolutely gorgeous. And the size, the shape, fitting, everything is stunning. So if you're in the UK, if you're in Dublin, just go to Pennies and try this because it's so good, such a good quality of a garment. But also what I wanted to say here is actually pin strips was something I wanted to put on my style board for 2025 because I really adore pin strips. The only issue that I was having was to find something in my size in this color, in navy pin strips. So I'm so lucky that I got this on Christmas Eve. The next thing that I want to show you are these gorgeous, is actually a necklace. So I love this necklace from Lovisa. I've had this for a while, it's just that it broke, so I had to replace it. It feels Christmas. Opening these presents with you. I am so happy. Yeah, so I love this. It's so beautiful. I just have to be very careful because this is a very dainty necklace. So let me open it for you. Oh my goodness. So I'm super scared with this because it's so dainty, but what I'm going to do is just open it later and then you can see it on my Instagram anyways. But the thing is that it's all tangled right now, so I'll have to be very careful to open it, but it's so beautiful and it's actually reversible. So if you see this, you can reverse this and wear it either ways, and it's so dainty, so beautiful. I love this piece. It's just that it's very fragile. Now we are going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and show you the Lush products that I got. Oh my god, I absolutely love the way they treated me there. Was so nice. The lady was so kind. I mean, I hope you're watching this. You are so amazing and I am so grateful that you kind of gave me such an amazing service. You asked about my channel and you also gave me a free product. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I'm just going to now show you the products. So this is all in the Lush bag. Oh my god. This is the first one that I got. So this is actually a product which is a body powder and you can put it in a beautiful case. I saw it on TikTok and I'm not usually the kind of person who would buy something just because I saw it online, but I wanted something that would help my fragrance last longer because I have such beautiful designer fragrances, and instead of constantly buying designer fragrances, I want to make them last. So I got this little powder. It's a body powder. So let's try it together. I hope that it's not going to go everywhere, but let's try it now. Alrighty, so it's time to pull it. Also, I have to show you my nails. Look at these nails. They are so stunning. Oh my god, they look so classic. And something which I have always struggled with is to convince myself to go with neutral colors, but this was just stunning and I'm always going to stick with this, especially for 2026. This is what I'm going to do now. Just simple French nails. Oh my god, absolutely stunning. So the moment has come when we try this gorgeous body powder from Lush. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's do it. It smells amazing. It's so, you know, the expensive smell, but it's still natural. That's how it smells. Oh my god, guys, it's amazing. It smells so good. Look at how beautiful it sits and everything, and you can put it on your body and you can put it on your hands, and then you can put it with the scent. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love this. I love things that look cozy and they smell nice. I love that feeling. Now let's layer this with my perfume so that we can even test how that would smell. So this is my perfume. It's the Linda Rit by Jewellery. Yeah, exactly. And oh my goodness, I love the smell of this perfume. It's my favorite perfume now. It's like a cherry based scent. Cherry, but still very expensive smelling. And when you put it on with the powder, oh my god, it's going to last longer. And the final scent is just amazing. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Oh my god, this was the best purchase of the night. I absolutely love it. This is called Super Milk by Lush and it's a body powder if you're looking for it. I highly recommend it. It's a dusting powder. I hope you're able to see that. Oh my god, it's amazing. Now let's go ahead and review the other products that I got off Lush as well. And this one. So this is the next product that we're going to be looking at, and it's called Snow Fairy, and it's basically like a hair primer, more so hair perfume. So the lady said to me that you can use this like after the shower, or you could also just use it on your dry hair, and it's going to add a very nice scent to it. But when I smelled it in the shop, it was just so good. Like, I absolutely loved the scent. So the way we are going to do this is we're going to first put a little bit. I hope that I am not ruining my clothes here. Just put a little bit here. Oh my god, I wish you could smell this because it's amazing. And we are going to use that on our hair. Like, it's basically like a hair moisturizer comes perfume. Do that. Gonna just add that as a serum type of thing. And the way I'm going to do this is whenever, for example, you know, I am having a shower, I'm just going to add this in there in my shower routine. Oh my god, this actually makes me feel like a snow fairy. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it looks like an ad for Lush, but it's not. I hope Lush sponsor me. They gave me this free product as I told them about my YouTube channel. So thank you, Lush, for that. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. So this is the Sticky Dates hair primer. So it's the same one in Sticky Dates. Let's smell this. I can't wait because I didn't smell this then. Oh my god. I feel like so lucky right now that I got this. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I got this one as well. Like, I am so lucky for this, because what happened was that when I saw the review of this on TikTok, the girls were basically reviewing super milk with sticky dates, but I decided to only go with super milk because I just wanted to make sure I use the product before I get another one. But I am so lucky that I ended up getting the sticky dates hair primer for free, so that now I can try them together. So that was all Lush, Lovisa, and I showed you the candle and everything. Now I also want to show you this little product I got from Sculpted by Aimee. So the way it worked for me today was that I went in there and I traded my old bottles that I had already used up. So I got this only for €8. I'm very lucky and happy about that. But this is essentially a refill for the moisturizer that I already use. And I love it. It's so good for the skin. Look at my skin right now. It's glowing, because this is amazing for sensitive skin. So I'm very happy that I got it before everything closes for the Christmas period. I was able to just get my hands on the things that I really wanted. But I'm really happy with the pre-Christmas shopping that I've done. It's all stuff that I'm going to use and all the things that make my daily routine luxurious, especially because I work so much. I'm always working, I'm always filming, I'm always doing something. 9 to 5, 5 to 9 events, that I really like having a ritual after everything is over, so that it's just for me. And smelling good and feeling good is something that really makes me feel pumped to add more value. So this was the little haul that we did. Now, what I would invite you to do is, if you're still watching the video, just give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be putting out so much more content like this, and even more content that is more educational on style, mindset. So if you want to see that, just throw in a like and subscribe, and it would mean the world to me. Comment down below which one was your favorite product from all the things that we just saw. And I was going to film a style boarding thing in this video, but what I'll do is make a separate video on that, because I think that would be more valuable to you, given that we've covered so much in this video already. I can't wait to see you in the next video, and I hope that you have an amazing Christmas.